Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown for use in the passenger front of a Class A motorhome, in this particular case with a cabinet-style mount where we're wrapping around a cabinet mounted into the floor. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a personal transfer lift system designed around the unique concept that one lift can do all of your lifting and transferring. So this same multi-lift that you're using to get you into and out of the passenger front seat on some RVs can actually be used to lift you into the RV, and also it can be used in the rear of the vehicle. You're going to see other videos in the notes field down below this video showing you how the same lift is used in the rear of this RV. So we simply maneuver around here. You'll notice there's lots of flexibility. We'll kind of show you a little bit about how the joints work here. Come on in. So we have lots and lots and lots of movement. Okay, now we'll back out. Once we're up and over the chair, we simply press down. Once we're down, we can release the sling. And we're ready to go. Let's have a look real quick at the mounting system itself and the extensions. You can see here we're bolted right into the floor. You've got two nice extensions here. These are your safeties. They need to be engaged whenever you're using the lift. Keep the lift from coming off. And of course, the multi-lift, once you do disengage the safety pins there, you can actually just take the lift right off. And in fact, when the lift is not in use, all you've got is the mount. They're available in different colors, so you can see the mount right here. Okay, so Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you should be able to have mobility the way you want in the vehicle that you want. If you'd like to learn more about our company or about our philosophy, please check us out on Facebook. Like us at facebook.com/accessun. We're also on Twitter at @accessun. We have a YouTube channel with over 3,500 different videos, many if not most, showing the lift in use for this product. That's at almost got it. How the hell did I screw that up? Almost there. We're going to do an outtake.